So all I have here is 2006 Duramax with 6.6. We're taking the downpipe off. We've already done that. This piece, you just take the band clamp off the top and the bottom, and you unmount the piece at the bottom on the manifold, and then you just rotate it and it comes right out the bottom. Right now we are taking off this Y pipe, which comes from the manifold up to your turbo, and we've got 3 bolts that we pulled out. They're 12-point bolts. What you'll also have to do is release your dipstick tube for your Allison transmission if it has Allison. It's 2 13mm nuts. Pull that back, slide it off, and then the downpipe will come off. And what originally happened was the top part of that Y pipe, where it's blocked off for the EGR delete, cracked and it's smoking. And as we took it off, it completely broke off. When you go back to put this stuff together, new gaskets, recommended new bolts. These bolts, as they heat up and they get older, they'll get fragile and brittle and they'll break. So we probably won't reuse these bolts. So we got our exhaust manifold outlet on the right side off. As you can see here, it's got 3 bolts on the upper side that go into the turbo, and this piece here mounts to your actual manifold that mounts the head. And so to pull these 3 bolts off, it's pretty tight in there, but once you remove your turbo downpipe to the exhaust and you slide that dipstick back, these are fairly easy to get to. What you'll need is a 12mm 12-point socket to do these, and you'll just go in there with a 3-inch extension and you should be able to get leverage on it there. We tried it with 3/8 drive, then we moved up to the 1/2-inch drive. You do not want to break those bolts, because then you're either going to have to drill them out, which is on the back side of the block between the firewall, or you're going to have to pull in. You definitely don't want to do that. So this is what we've done so far, and as you can see inside of here, all this back piece is completely open. So we'll get that all cleaned up, get new gaskets, and we'll move from there once we get the new parts in. Hey guys, we're back today working on our 2006 6.6 Duramax. We have our exhaust outlet pipe. Our customer, he just had this pipe welded. This was the pipe that went to the EGR, which was already deleted. So therefore, he ended up just cutting it off and having it blocked off with a weld instead of a plate. We're getting ready to install this. We have our faces cleaned with a Scotch-Brite pad. We got new gaskets. Our bolts will be anti-seized before they go in. That way, if we have to remove it later, they'll come out easier. So we're gonna fill our way. You can't see these top bolts, so you just gotta fill it when you put it in. Make sure you get your gasket lined up, and we'll go from there. leaks.